Welcome to Beanie Chef. You might have been a child the last time you made jam tartlets, so follow our simple and easy recipe and bring back some of those childhood memories. If you need to see how to make our sweet pastry in more depth, then follow the link below. This gets rolled out to a thickness of around about ½ centimetre. We're using a pastry cutter to cut out our discs, but if you don't have one of these, then any object such as a cup will work just as well. Lay your disc on top of a good quality non-stick bun tin. Gently press with your fingers to form a shape of a tartlet. Now fill each one with enough jam just to fill it 3/4 full. You can use whichever flavour jams you like for this. Once they're filled, place in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes so the pastry sets up. Then bake in the oven on 180 degrees for around about 15 to 20 minutes. Leave them to cool and then gently twist them off and enjoy.